Okay, hey y'all, again, because I forgot my key. I'm Miss Handy Dandy Do It a Lot. Um, and I noticed since I can't drive the car, which is very frustrating because there is an oil leak. Let me show y'all. So y'all see those few drops that's under there? It's definitely an oil leak. Now, the mechanic did say there is an oil leak, but an oil leak isn't something that's going to stop you from buying a car. And it's like, okay, he said everything else is good. Because I remember telling y'all, I said it. He said everything is good. I forgot to mention the fact that he said there is an oil leak. But the oil leak is not something like a reason that you don't purchase a car. Like, it's not going to stop you. It might have. I mean, I don't know, y'all. Because I'm just like, But anywho, there's an oil leak that is going to have to be fixed. I'm just hoping this ain't no $3,000 job to get this oil leak fixed. And if anything, like, I got the lady's post. Now, this was a private seller. I'm looking at her post and stuff, and it says, like, no leaks, no nothing, blah, 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 everything's good. I had it checked. He did say there was an oil leak, so that is on me, but her for a false advertisement, like, and inside the car it smells like almost like a cigar. I would imagine if it's electrical it would smell a little different. I've been trying to air it out. I haven't kept the windows down long enough to really air it out, but anywho, I also noticed that there's this weird blowing sound when I blow the AC, which I'm gonna let y'all hear it. So when it's on regular, I don't know if you guys can really hear it, but you should be able to hear that. That's the AC motor, the blower motor. And I'm about to take that out and clean it out and see if that rectifies the issue. A lot of times it can. Unless your blower motor is just bad, then you need to fully replace that, but I'm hoping that's not the case. So let me go get some gloves. I got some tools, and let's get up under here because it is right up under here, y'all. That is the blower motor. All I have to do is take the screws out from under there and I have to disconnect it, take the screws out, and take out the motor. Same thing, put it back, push it up in, screw it back, and put the connection back in there. So that's what we're about to do. Pray for me that don't no bug come up on me. Pray that no bug like try and attack me when I'm doing this, because that's the last thing I need. Let me go get these gloves and let's get to work. I'm just trying to pull the connector out. Damn, this shit tight. We got the first part out, the connector. You can see it's hanging right there now. So connector is hanging. Now I could take out the screws. You know what, I might just come back after I do all this part because my booty is all out to the public and I ain't trying to be like this. So I could do it with a screwdriver, but I need some different tools because this screwdriver is not gonna let me get up in there. Dog, I need like a little socket wrench. Dog! Back to the drawing board. Let's go somewhere, y'all. Damn, just can't get some stuff done around here. So what I ended up doing was getting the socket set, finding what was compatible for me taking out these screws. I took it out, as you can see. It is a bit on the dirty side, and honestly, I want to clean it, but I ain't got no like power washer or whatever, because that's how I see a lot of people clean it. But at the same time, I'm not about to do it like that anyways, because got the motor on here. But this came out of it. Is that like a tree nut or something? Anywho, that's what came out of it. Part of me wants to kind of just wipe it down with a Clorox wipe real quick. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that, because I can't really get in there. So I'm just like, at least I got the nut out. I'm gonna put it back in there now and see if that made a difference, because y'all heard what it sounded like at first. So I'll be back to show y'all what it sounds like now, and hopefully that made a difference. If it didn't, then it's safe to assume that I just need a whole new blower motor. But at the same time, I want to say I don't. So let's get this back up in here and I'll see y'all in view. Okay, we are back, like back installed. Can y'all see the sweat on my face, bruh? So everything is back up under there. I'm not sure if it's going to let me show y'all, but regardless. Okay, so everything is back up under there. We got the cable back in there, wherever the cable is. The cable is back in there. All the screws have been tightened. So we did that. Well, I did that. If you ask me why I did that, it's because I really do I like building stuff and putting stuff together. I honestly should have went to school to be a mechanic. It's a dirty job, but I like getting I like things that's hands-on, y'all. Like, I don't like being bored, you know what I'm saying? So I just feel very like handy, you feel me? So let's put this back. This was an 8mm. I had to use the 8mm for this job. You could use a screwdriver, but you want to get a screwdriver that is short enough to actually reach back there. So that's why I ended up going with the wrench, the socket wrench, because bro, no. Like I said, we're all installed in. Let's test this out to see if we still have the noise. Lord. Just call me Handy Candy, baby, because she did it. It was that tree nut that was in there that was causing that noise. So I'm happy. I'm really happy that I got that done. My thing is like the fact that now I'm seeing that there's an oil leak. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's like kind of stressing me out, because I'm just like, please do not be an expensive fix. Please do not be an expensive fix. If anything, if I can, I would hoist this up in the air and do it myself and fix it myself. But I ain't got no hoist. And I'm not sure exactly where it's leaking, so. But that's a fun fact about me. I like to get my hands dirty and I like doing hands-on things. So this was a great thing for me to do, especially since I can't drive the vehicle yet. I can at least do things that, you know, will feel like I'm getting somewhere and I'm going to be in my vehicle soon. You feel me? So just doing that, I feel good about. I got my aux cord in today too, so I feel good about that. The sound system. Let me show y'all. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to play, because you know that dang on copyright be a mug, y'all. But let me see. Oh, sorry. The aux works. The aux works. But I love the sound system in here, y'all. It is so nice. Like, let me play one of my favorite. Not that. That's like. tell me that I'm wrong. Tell me I deserve all the things that you want me to. Oh. All right, before they copyright me. But yeah, like I was saying, it just feels good to get a few things done that I know I can do. So I can start getting into my vehicle. Y'all feel me? Like, I want to be in here. I want to go clean this bad boy up because the previous owner was being trifling and let they dog, cat, whatever dog, get up in here and mooey fooey it. But I swear when I test drove it the first time, it was way cleaner than what they have it now. But anywho, that's gonna end this video. Thank y'all so much. Y'all didn't get to see me do the stuff because y'all, I was on my back getting up under here and doing all this. But the good thing is that I fixed it. I got it tied up in there and I was handy candy today, Boski. So I will see y'all in my next videos. Peace and blessings, gods and goddesses.